Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add a new domain in Hostinger. All right, let's begin. First, log into your Hostinger hPanel using your credentials. Once inside, look for the Domains section. This is where you can view and manage all of your domains, including their status and details. To add a new domain, click the Add New Domain button. From here, you have two options: register a new domain or transfer an existing one. If you're registering a new domain, use the search bar to check availability. Choose a domain name that is unique, easy to remember, and relevant to your website. If you're transferring a domain, follow the steps to confirm ownership. This usually involves unlocking the domain from your current registrar and verifying through email. Make sure the domain is not expired or locked, as this could delay the transfer. Once completed, your new domain will appear in the list, ready to be managed. So that's basically how you can add a new domain in Hostinger. That's it for this video. Thanks.